I was just walking back from the runway. Saw this thing sitting here. It is beautiful. What a cool looking plane. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Lancair or Lancair, not sure. But that, what a beautiful color too. Of course, you can never see in the windows with the sun. I am shocked at how many awesome airplanes are at our airport. All hiding in these hangars. And I am told that come November 11th, there is a huge ordeal here at this airport for flying. And all of them will be part of it. That's cool. I'm excited about that now. Just had to do a little walk around of that thing. It is just awesome. Haven't looked that one up. I know nothing about it, so let's see what you guys got. Hey, here's my my car guy knowledge. I see a set of dual pipes sticking out of the bottom. That's all I got. What do you guys got? Tell me about this thing, because it's awesome.